Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Let's practice painting a forest together. Here I'm laying down the first light blue layers and then a few darker layers to suggest some mountains in the background. The blue paint is still wet, so I can layer the darker paint on there and it gets it like a lighter, more distant color for the mountains. Use your brush to create a little texture. Even though it's in the background, it may show up if you really spend time looking at the painting. This is a dry brush technique. I've already dried the painting and I'm just gently scrubbing the yellow and the brighter colors in the background. I love the sound when you're stabbing the paint, the acrylic paint, into the canvas. It's a nice touch. Here we're laying in leaves for the trees in the background. I'm using a fan brush here to lay down some yellow and white and then blending it in with some of the wet green. Take your time with this process, and I try to leave some spots that are still dark. And the fan brush is also great at drawing or catching the effect of grass. This is watered down acrylic paint, so it gives the suggestion of tree trunks or tree branches in the background. I'm using a dry brush here. It's got a little bit of paint on it, and I like to scrub in the shadows. So practice drying it out a little bit on a towel, and then start scrubbing it into your painting. Sometimes when you draw shadows, it helps to accentuate some of the bright spaces where the shadow might represent a negative space. And here we're just touching in some small forest and woodland flowers, perhaps wildflowers that are in these little spaces where the sun is touching them. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope you really enjoy this video. I sure enjoy trying to paint the sunlight and the effect of light coming through trees. Have a great day.